I am absolutely thrilled to talk about the incredible reverse engineering services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd in Connaught Place, Delhi NCR. When it comes to cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions, Scon Design India Private Limited is a name that stands out among the rest. With their expertise in reverse engineering, they have revolutionized the industry and have become a trusted partner for businesses in the region. Reverse engineering services provided by Scon Design India Private Ltd are truly remarkable. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who are well-versed in the latest tools and techniques of reverse engineering. Whether it is product development, quality control, or improving existing designs, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the expertise to handle it all. Their attention to detail and commitment to excellence is what sets them apart from their competitors. Located in the heart of Connaught Place in Delhi NCR, Scon Design India Private Ltd is easily accessible to businesses in the area. This prime location allows them to provide their exceptional reverse engineering services to a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, consumer electronics, and many more. Their state-of-the-art facility is equipped with advanced machinery and software, enabling them to deliver precise and accurate results every time. One of the key reasons why Scon Design India Private Ltd is highly regarded in the industry is their ability to deliver customized solutions that meet the unique requirements of each client. They understand that every project is different and requires a tailored approach. With their extensive experience and vast knowledge, they can analyze and reverse engineer complex products with ease. Their attention to detail ensures that the final design meets all specifications and exceeds expectations. Another standout feature of Scon Design India Private Ltd's reverse engineering services is their quick turnaround time. Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Connaught Place, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. With their extensive expertise and cutting-edge technology, Scon Design India Private Limited is the leading provider of reverse engineering services in the region. From concept to design, their team of highly skilled engineers will work tirelessly to ensure that your project is completed with precision and efficiency. Whether you need reverse engineering services for a small component or a large-scale industrial project, Scon Design India Private Ltd is equipped to handle it all. With their state-of-the-art facilities and commitment to customer satisfaction, you can trust that your project is in good hands. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other reverse engineering service providers is their attention to detail and commitment to quality. Their team of experts will meticulously analyze the original product or component and create an accurate 3D model using advanced scanning and imaging techniques. This allows them to recreate the product or component with utmost